In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default sending account in Outlook. If you use multiple email accounts in Outlook, setting a default sending account ensures your new messages come from the right address every time. This saves time and prevents those wrong account moments. I'll walk you through classic Outlook on Windows, how to make sure new messages actually use that default, and what to do in the new Outlook for Windows. The account you want as default should already be added to Outlook. Let's start in classic Outlook, the desktop app with the ribbon and File tab. Open Outlook and click the File tab at the top left to access the Backstage view. Choose Account Settings, and then click Account Settings again to open the full dialog. On the Email tab, you'll see the list of accounts connected to Outlook. Select the account you want to be your default sending address. Click Set as Default. You'll see it marked as the default in the list. Click Close to save and return to Outlook. That sets the default at the account level, which is what Outlook uses when deciding the sender for new messages. Next, let's make sure Outlook actually uses that default for new emails. Still in Outlook for Windows, go back to the File tab and open Options. If you see a More menu, choose More, then Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Mail from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Send Messages section. Find the checkbox labeled Always use the default account when composing new messages, and turn it on. This step is important because, by default, Outlook may use the account of the folder you're currently viewing. Click OK to confirm and apply your changes. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows, the interface is a bit different. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right. Go to Accounts, then Your Accounts. From there, select the account you want as the default. This tells the new Outlook which account to use first when you compose a brand new message. A quick note on behavior: new messages will now use your chosen default, while replies and forwards typically send from the account that received the original email, which is usually what you want. If something doesn't look right, double-check you click Set as Default and that the Always Use the Default Account option is enabled. Also, labels can vary slightly based on updates, but the path and wording should be very close to what you see here. That's it, your default sending account is set. Thanks for watching.